Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add main content section using CSS. In my previous tutorial, we have added header and navigation bar sections using CSS. Come to HTML. To add the main content section, please type div space class main and close this. Let's add the closing tag for div. This time, in place of ID, I want to use class, which selects elements with a specific class attribute. Come to CSS, just copy this, and in place of hash, please type full stop and followed by the name of the class. I will keep same margin and border radius, and I want to remove height, and I don't want to add width property also, and I want to use same background color. Here, let's add some padding, that is space between border and text. I'm selecting 20 pixel and font size. This time I'm selecting in percentage and the font color. Save the CSS, come to HTML, save this. After that, come to web page, reload. I got a nice main content section with default size, that is without width and height properties. Let's add some content into this section. Come to HTML. Here I want to add some data into this main section. Save the HTML, come to web page, reload, and we got content in the main section, and main section will be adjusted automatically to the volume of data in the section because we made this as a dynamic section to allow us for adding more and more content. And I want to add style to the heading. Come to CSS, H1. I want to add font size 120% and color I'm selecting red. After this, save the CSS, come to HTML, save this, and after that come to web page, reload, and the content size and color is automatically sets to the style of the heading, and we got padding all around the text. And I want to add few more content. Come to HTML, save the HTML, come to web page, reload, and the main section will be adjusted automatically to the volume of data we have added in this section. Like this, we can add main content section using CSS. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.